Hi, so in this short video, I would like to show you and explain to you why have Binance have introduced the KYC and how you can do it. So at the 20th of August, Binance has posted their announcement in the updates to Binance services. You can actually find the link to that announcement in the description of this video. That on users, you will have to complete an intermediate verification to access Binance products and services offerings, including cryptocurrency deposits, trades, and withdrawals. Existing users who have not yet completed intermediate verification will have their account permissions temporarily changed to withdraw only, and with services limited to withdrawal, order cancellation, position close, and redemption. This will be carried out in phases to minimize the user experience disruption from the 20th of August until the 19th of October. And existing users will be also informed that with the more details. And once they complete the intermediate verification, they'll be able to resume a full access to Binance products and services. And this is a great news for Binance because that means that with the right KYC, they can actually help and kind of support efforts to know your customers and also the anti-money laundering, which in a way it will enhance user protection and also combat financial crime. And when it comes to the KYC, I think it's a great news. When it comes to how to do it, it's really easy. If you actually can find the link in the description in the video, which leads you directly to profile and how to do it, but I'll explain you how in details. By the way, if you don't have a Binance account and you're just starting with it and you just want to know how to do KYC, you can find the registration link as well in the description of this video, so you can grab extra perks while registering from that link. So you have three options for the personal verifications, and first set up on the top right the residential country and region. I've set it for United Kingdom, and you have an option for basic, intermediate, and advanced. You need at least intermediate to be able to use functions like trades and futures and others. The basic one will only allow you to deposit and withdraw, nothing else, and also your crypto withdrawal will be 0.06 BTC daily, which is really small comparing to the intermediate, which allows you 100 Bitcoin a day. So how does it work? It's really easy. You can do it on your mobile or on your computer. With the basic, you just press verify now, and then after you need to put on your details. So your first name, last name, middle name if you have it, and then date of birth. After you press continue, and you need to fill in your address details. After you finish your basic verification, you'll see that the basic has been verified. And you have that crypto deposit unlimited, and you have the 0.06 BTC daily for withdrawal. But then if you want to actually use that Binance account and use all the features, all the trading features, market, exchange, you'll need that intermediate one. And how does it work? You have to fill in your details, and after filling all the details which I just mentioned, you need to send the ID and or either passport, government ID, or something which you can actually prove your identity. And then you'll have to go through facial recognition, which works with the Binance app. So you'll need your phone to actually go through that verification. When you press verify now, first, as I mentioned, you need to put passport or driving license, or if you're other countries, you have other option to use government issued documents. In UK, I can use passport, driver's license. This is the country of issue. So for example, I'm not from UK originally, I'm originally from Poland, so I'll put Poland one as my country of issue of the documentation. So I see that there is an ID, passport, driving license, so I can, for example, choose a driving license, continue. Then I need to grab a picture of that identification. And after grabbing a picture of that identification, I'll have to go through the facial identification. So that means that when I go through that, it will send me a link on my phone, or I can just go directly from here to my phone. You can use it on the computer as well. And you need to go through facial recognition, which will kind of compare your face to the ID and documentation which you have sent. Then it's, I think, up to a few days for Binance to approve that. And I see that many times it's just 24 hours, which is really quick for everyone to do. And thanks to it, you will be verified. you have all the options of the Binance accounts. You also can see I've added like most of the links in the description of this video. What is KYC and how it's increasing the kind of enhancing the experience for crypto, because in general KYC is know your customer, and it refers to a mandatory verification which every customer needs to perform. And you can actually read a bit more about Binance policy, which I think it's a really good policy going forward, because that means we are in a way in a safer environment. Thanks a lot. I hope that you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do. Just leave a like and subscribe, and well, see you in the next video. Take care.